So in the first video on this part of the course, we saw how to respond to a click on a button in our HTML document. We want to do the same thing here, but separate out the JavaScript from the rest of the HTML. So let's get our button back. Put some tempting text in there. Like that. This time we're going to need to give the button an ID. I'm going to call it my button with a capital B there. And this ID allows us to refer to that button in the JavaScript. We're going to write here. Okay, so I'm actually going to use the text that we wrote before because it's a very similar structure. So we start with document again and get element by ID. So this time we're going to use the my button ID to refer to this button. Now this time, instead of inner HTML, we want to use the onClick command. So it's the same function, the same word that we used when we did it inline, but this time we're going to separate it out. So what do we want to do? OnClick, well, we want to do some kind of function. And that function is going to be contained within the curly brackets or curly braces there. So just to summarize what we've done, we've got the document, which refers to the whole page itself. We've got the get element by ID instruction, and then we're referring to the my button ID, which gets us this button here. And then we're using the onClick command to run a function when that button is clicked. At the moment the function is empty, but let's make it do something extremely basic. So we'll have a simple alert, the same as before. Okay, let's see if that works. There's my button. We click it, fantastic. So we've achieved what we wanted to. We can now interact with a website and do something when a button is clicked.